Hello guys, today we are making Die Mini Direction Control LED Kit. Material required: battery holder, 3-way push connector, 2-way push connector, switch, LED and AA battery. Let's start to make our circuit. Use of 3-way push connector. Step 1. Battery holder. The red bar of the battery holder connect to T6 terminal and the black wire connect to T5 terminal. Step 2. LED first. The red wire of the LED first connect to T4 terminal and the black wire connect to T5 terminal. Step 3. LED second. The black wire of the LED second connect to T5 terminal. Step 4. Switch. The red wire of the switch connect to T1 terminal and the yellow wire connect to T3 terminal. Use of 2-way push connector. Step 5. The red wire of the LED second connect to T4 terminal. Step 6. The green wire of the switch connect to T1 terminal. Step 7. Put the battery in the battery holder. Function. After completing our circuit, when we turn on the switch forward side, your LED first start glowing, and when you turn on the switch backward side, your LED second start glowing. When you press the center of the switch, your both LED will turn off. You can see the circuit will be working properly. I hope you are enjoying this video. Thanks for watching.